Μάνα παρά μάνα μου, σκούπισε το δάκρυ μου. Πάντα ήσουν μια σκιά, τα παιδιά σου ορφανά. Στήρα μάνα με φέρε στο κόσμο.
We are speaking about the economic situation in Greece. I have to say that it's very, very difficult as for the workers, for the pensions, and in the same time there are a lot of money for some other categories according to the government decisions and the EC decisions, European Union. This means that we are in an austerity plan because of the memorandums for 13 years now. And now we have the problems with the new conditions after pandemic, the inflation and the war in Ukraine. This means that we are in wages at the level of 2012-2013, less than then, in pensions less than then, and in the same time we have an inflation of, for the last month, 12.1. We have a public debt that is more than 2,000 of our GDP. We have a individual debt that is approximately 150% of our GDP. In the same time, the government does not take in measures in order to resolve the problems according to European Union decisions, but as is the general rule of the European Union, so the workers, the pensioners are only them and trying to find solutions.
Μάνα παρά μάνα μου, σκούπισε το δάκρυ μου. Πάντα ήσουν μια σκιά, τα παιδιά σου ορφανά.